What if your gaming laptop wasn't just for gaming, but powerful enough to replace your entire workstation? Meet the Acer Predator Helios 18P AI, Acer's boldest leap yet, revealed at IFA 2025. This isn't just a refresh of the Helios 18 AI from CES, it's a reinvention. Acer has taken its flagship gaming beast and supercharged it with enterprise-grade features designed for the most demanding creators and professionals. At its heart lies Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX vPro, paired with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 590 laptop GPU. Combine that with a jaw-dropping 192 gigabytes of ECC DDR5 RAM and up to 6 terabytes of PCIe Gen5 and Gen4 storage, and you're looking at performance levels few laptops can dream of. To keep this monster cool, Acer relies on 6th-generation Aeroblade fans, liquid metal thermal paste, and a finely tuned network of heat pipes, because raw power demands next-level cooling. Then there's the display, an 18-inch 4K mini LED panel with 1,000 nits of brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a razor-sharp 3-millisecond response time. With full DCI P3 color coverage, it's built for competitive gaming, cinematic streaming, and professional color work. No compromises. A 99.9 watt-hour battery fuels the system, while Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, and even an SD card reader ensure it connects seamlessly with whatever workflow you throw at it. Of course, this level of performance comes at a price. The Acer Predator Helios 18P AI starts at a staggering €4,999. Availability? Still under wraps. The Predator Helios 18P AI isn't just a gaming laptop. It's Acer's vision of the future, a machine that blurs the line between entertainment and enterprise. The only question is, are you ready for that kind of power? If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is